Hey guys, Pringlis123 here. I'm going to open up my iPod Nano. It's a first generation 2 gigabytes. If you look there, you can see the screen. I stood on it. Well, I think I did. So yeah, the screen's cracked inside. So I'm going to open up for you guys, and well, enough said. It's not very interesting, but hey. You can get a thing that's actually made for it, where you go around the slides and it'll just open up. But I knew that from an American website. I live in America, so I'm just using my pen knife. I am getting a new screen. I ordered one today on eBay, so when that comes I'll post another video of me replacing the screen. This is just showing you like what to do if you were to change the screen or change the battery. And there we go. There we go. There's the back. You see, nothing special. You can see the battery, and it's like there's a name for it, I've just forgotten now. I'll come in here. Yeah, change the battery. All you have to do is take this battery out. See these three wires, the yellow, black, and red. You just take them out and you have to solder new ones on with a soldering iron. So that's how to change the battery. Let's see. Now this is what you have to be careful for, so that you don't crack this part of the screen. There's two screens: the actual screen that comes out and the screen that's attached to the buttons and whatnot. Don't do it like I've done, because I did break it, but it didn't really matter as all they're broken, so you can see it, but it's still attached. All you do, try to get a good view for you guys. See this little black thing? Oh, I just broke that off. Oh well. Yeah, you just flick that little black thing. It should come out. See? That's the screen. Okay. Just put that over there. Yeah, here. Damn. Yeah, there's another one of them, but really small. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just there, my finger is. Just do the same. Just flick it if I can get it. It's so small. There we go. Connect that one onto it. Sorry if you guys can't see some of this stuff. I've not got the best camera for this. I'm just using a Logitech webcam that I got the other week. This is my first video. I'll be doing tons of videos. So please subscribe. Please leave comments. Please rate. Be greatly appreciated. Okay, that's that back on. Yeah, I will post another video. Oh, it just came back off. I will post another video showing me actually replacing it. The screen. You can see the screen a little bit better, maybe. And I'll change it over. And there's my dog barking in the background. Okay, so that's it, guys. comment, rate, subscribe. Okay, see